In the sudden fall of darkness, cries are echoing through the land. The beloved servants of our God, taken by a ruthless hand, by the hands of wicked forces, men of terror, men of hate, leaving all of us in sorrow, leaving broken hearts and aching faith.
Rest in the hands of Jesus, in His loving arms find peace. Oh, dear pastors who were taken, in His love all sorrow cease. Up in heaven there's no suffering, freed from evil, safe and pure. We will lovingly remember, rest in Jesus safe and sure. You went forth to spread His gospel, but were met with bullets' rain. Many poured His shedding teardrops, Cassie Giant shares the pain. But your sacrifice is holy, righteous blood that has been shed. God is watching from the heavens, He will judge the tears we've bled. We may never understand it, why such tragedy must fall, but we yield to God Almighty, He brings comfort to us all. May the Holy Spirit guide them, keep their families in His sight. Through the valley of the shadows, may He bring His guiding light. Farewell, faithful men of heaven.
Vom Thang Rev Kaigul Master Paugulen.
Rest in peace, your race is run. Rest, rest in the hands of Jesus, till the rising of the sun. Rest in heaven forevermore.